guys, it's Pao and welcome to another video here on my YouTube channel. Today, I decided to do something different from my previous videos and I'm pretty sure you guys already have an idea because of the title. And yes, it's going to be an unboxing video of my first ever smartwatch. Actually, I've always wanted to try doing unboxing videos, but whenever I get a new stuff, I always get too excited, so I end up not doing it. This video, actually, it will be sort of re-unboxing since I already had it checked. But yeah, without further ado, let's get started. For the Apple Watch Series 7, they have here the all-white box for the packaging, and what I got is a Starlight aluminum case with Starlight Sport Band in 41mm. So we have two boxes here. One is for the Apple Watch itself and its charger, and the other box is for the sports band. First, we have here the manuals. Then I also got here the newest charger for Apple Watch, which is the 1-meter magnetic fast charger to USB-C cable. And lastly, of course, the Apple Watch itself in Starlight aluminum case. As you can see guys, the color is like a mixture of gold and silver, actually like a neutral color, and I find it pretty nice. So I also got a Starlight Sport Band. And it comes in two different sizes. One is for medium and large, and the second one is for small medium. So I'll be getting the smaller one since I have a small wrist. So here is a closer look. Is the digital crown, the microphone and side button, as well as the sensors and the speaker. So now, let's proceed with setting up. I'll just pair my Apple Watch and my iPhone and have it set up using the Apple Watch app. What I love about this watch is the size. It's just perfect for my small wrist, even the screen is big, as well as the color, which makes it more simple and classy. also just wanted to share with you guys accessories I bought from Shopee. So I'll be posting the link below in the description box so you can also check this out. Overall, I can say the Apple Watch Series 7 is really worth buying given its features and if you are really into smartwatches. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy as much as I did. Thanks for watching and see you again on my next.